Welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share ice cream cake. It has been so hot, so it's going to be a very refreshing and cool and healthy desserts for you. So let's go and start. This is going to be two-part. I'm going to show you how to make cake, then ice cream. Let's go. We're going to make the cake called the Carob cake. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup Carob powder. Carob powder is a chocolate substitute without any caffeine. It has natural sugar in them. Also high in antioxidant and very alkaline food. If anything is alkaline food, cancer cannot grow in your body. So eat some carob. Next one, you will need a 1/4 cup turbinado sugar. This is a low sugar cake recipe. Next, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon natural sweetness stevia. 3 packets will make a 1 teaspoon. So let's go and put it in here. You need to turn your oven at 350 degrees. 1/4 teaspoon salt and half tablespoon aluminum foil baking powder. Delete that. 1/4 cup. This is a chopped walnut. The walnut is very high in protein, also have good fat in them, and also potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, plus it's good for your brain because high in omega-3. So you mix dry ingredients first. This is just mixed thoroughly. Then next you will need to add 1 1/4 cup soy milk or any non-dairy milk will work. This is a vegan cake recipe. And 2 tablespoons oil. Then 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm using the pure vanilla without any alcohol in there. I found it from Amazon. Then when I buy it, I usually use for about 6 months. So cake can be very healthy for you and good for your brain, good for your heart, and low in calorie. So you will be guiltless eating cake. Okay. From here, you will need a 9x13 baked dish. Make sure they spray oil. I already did it for you. And we are going to transfer mixture into the cake dish. Baked dish, cake dish. Take it all out. That's a little more. So what you need to do, just spray out evenly. Simple, isn't it? So far, it's pretty good. Then shake it. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. When it comes out, you need to cool it completely. Okay? So this one gonna go to oven for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna make ice cream mixture. Here. We call the Carob ice cream. You can just make it separate Even cake, you can make it separate and enjoy it, or you can put it together. Praise God for the new recipe that I can share with you. My husband's birthday is coming pretty soon, so this is gonna be his birthday cake. You will need a 1 can, 13.5 ounce coconut milk. This is ice cream recipe. Okay, next you will need a 1 packet morinu tofu. We call the bomb kind. This is second tofu. So its ice cream mixer will be nice and soft. So go and put it in here. You can get it from any health food store if you have one, or just order from Amazon. We are living in country that I order everything from Amazon. And 1/3 cup Carob powder. We like to use Carob a lot. I told you why, because it's good for your brain and keep you young too. And 1/4 cup turbinado sugar. This is a low sugar ice cream biscuit. Need 3 packages, 1 teaspoon stevia. One-4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now we are going to blend it until creamy. So let's go and start. Ice cream mixture is all blended nice and smoothly, and the cake is all cooled off like this. Now from here, what we need to do, go and pour ice cream mixture on top of the cake. This is so delicious and very low in calorie, low in sugar, so you can enjoy it, and then you will be guiltless. And isn't it amazing that God is so good? We can still enjoy the dessert without, worrying about, is it healthy for us? This is healthy for you. Actually, good for your brain, too, good for your heart. Okay, from here is very important, so you need to listen. Put this in the freezer for overnight, and the next day when you're ready to eat, what you need to do, put it on the countertop, room temperature for at least 1 hour. Then you can cut the size you want, then eat as much you want, but still temperance is important. Then after that, if you have leftover, what I usually do, just cut the piece, put it in the plastic container. I put 1 cake individually. Then I freeze it. Then whenever I need to eat after lunch or dinner, and then you just, while you're eating dinner, you just set it on the table. By the time you're done with your meal, and the cake is ready to eat. So, here is finished product for you. Here you go. I kept this in the freezer, so it's not really completely thawed out to eat, but I just want you to see how it look. So if you like to have a written recipe, it's in the description. Thank you for watching, and taste and see that the Lord is good. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.